Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you things I gave to my nephews and niece. A few things broke my heart a little to let go, but I reminded myself that it's for a good reason. Of course, I'll be freeing up space in my home. My nephews and niece will get items that they can enjoy, not to mention sparing their parents' wallets. And it helps the planet a little bit by passing on useful items. Before we get started, I'd like to mention another pain caused by having too many things. This is my vitamin box, and that is what remains of a melted vitamin. I had 5 or 6 of these pill boxes in their holder sitting precariously on top of these spices, and of course it fell right into my instant pot below that contained broth. The liquid seeped into several compartments, melted, and caused a big mess. And then, not long after that, I knocked this pepper grinder on the left into the trash can and messed it all up, so I'll be filling the pepper grinder on the right and getting rid of the other one. So note to self, have fewer things so these things don't happen. Let's get to the box of goodies from my nephews and niece. I went ahead and gathered the things from around the house and couldn't resist taking this box from Costco. So cute and useful for decluttering. Let's take a look at things inside the box. These Christmas banners I bought last year after Christmas, and it was 25 cents a piece at the 99 cents only store, and of course I went crazy and bought a bunch. But I cannot use them all and don't want to keep them around, so I'm gonna see if they'd like to decorate their homes with it. Along with these wall clings with the fox, and the other version with Santa and a snowman. These are bags of toothbrushes. They're from my couponing days and I've bought way too many of them, so I'm gonna pass them around and I'm sure they can make good use out of them. I'm trying to switch over to digital movies, so I'm gonna see if they would like to keep this DVD. And my Harry Potter series. It pains me to let them go, but my nephew is currently reading the Harry Potter series and I know he'd like his old copy, so I'm just gonna pass it along to him to enjoy. And I'm not gonna read it anytime soon, so I'd like to free up the space. If I ever want to read them again, I'll just borrow them from the library. A poop pooper. I'm sure they'll get a kick out of this. A solar Rudolph bobblehead, I think. This my brother-in-law asked me to get it for him so he could give it to his friend for Christmas. This spiderwick set I've had for years and I haven't even opened it, so I think my nephew would love to read that. Who remembers these books? I read them as a child and they're so hard to let go of because they're nostalgic, but my niece will enjoy those. I have notebooks to go with those as well. Tsum Tsums. I think Tsum Tsums are really cute, but they're not really my thing. I'm more of a classic Mickey Mouse and Friends type of person. And I got most of these as gifts, and I really appreciate the people who've given them to me, but I don't have the space for them, so I'm gonna pass them along. A retro boombox lunchbox. cool, but gotta let it go. It's just a vessel for me to put other clutter in. Craft glue. I know they'll find these useful for school. Pens. I had an obsession with pens. Pens and more pens. As I said in other videos, I really don't write much, so I need to let go. This is from a carnival game. I'm sure my niece will love it. I dug this basketball holder out of one of my closets, so it'll be going in the box. And drum roll please, the item that was the most hard to let go of, my giant donut. There's my husband right there holding it up. It's a silly item, but it's so much fun. It takes up a lot of space, so it's gotta go, and the kiddos will love it. One last thing before I end the video, I mentioned in my kitchen clutter that I'll be getting rid of these bowls, and this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fill the bottom bowl with my mom's lunch, and then she's free to keep the bowl or donate it after she's done using it. I'm gonna keep on doing that until I get rid of all my bowls. I hope you enjoyed this minimizing growing pains with me. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!